Can you file ITR without Form 16A? Tax expert shares insights into digital Form 16. Online ITR filing 2025 process has started. The income tax return ITR process has often been seen as complex, especially for salaried individuals who are unsure about income details, TDS deductions, and applicable exemptions. However, with the introduction of the digital Form 16 and advanced data integration by the Income Tax Department, the ITR process has become significantly easier and more streamlined. Ca Rushika Bhagat, Managing Director of Niraj Bhagat Co., shares insights about the Form 16, especially digital Form 16 NAN. Form 16 is a certificate issued by employers to their employees, containing details of the salary paid and the tax deducted at source TDS on it. Traditionally, salaried individuals relied on this form to file their ITR manually, deciphering each component of income, deduction, and tax paid. Also read what is Form 26AS, the tax form that can save you from notice snow. With the digital integration of Form 16 into the income tax portal, much of this data is auto-populated in the ITR filing form, reducing the scope for errors and easing the burden on taxpayers. NAN. The new digital Form 16 is generated directly from the employer's filings in the Traces TDS reconciliation analysis and correction enabling system portal and is digitally signed. Once uploaded, it synchronizes with the income tax filing portal and auto-extracts the relevant information such as NINIs. This data is then automatically reflected in the pre-filled ITR forms, especially ITR 1 and ITR 2, saving time and effort for salaried taxpayers. NAN. 1. Simplified filing process. The automation eliminates the need to manually enter income, TDS, and deduction figures. Even taxpayers with limited tax knowledge can now file their returns with minimal effort. 2. Reduces errors. Manual errors in key fields like PAN, salary, income, or deductions can lead to notices or delays in processing. Auto extraction ensures data accuracy, matching it exactly with the employer's TDS returns. 3. Faster processing of refunds. Since the data is clean and directly matched with the backend system, tax returns are processed quickly, and refunds, if any, are issued sooner. 4. Convenience for busy professionals. Salaried individuals, especially working professionals, no longer need to spend hours organizing Form 16 or seeking professional help for basic returns. 5. Eco-friendly and paperless. No need to print or physically handle documents. Digital Form 16 aligns with the government's Digital India initiative and promotes a paperless ecosystem. NAN. 1. Log into the income tax portal. Visit https://www.incometax.gov.in and log in using your PAN and password. 2. Select pre-filled ITR. Choose the applicable ITR form, mostly ITR 1 for salaried individuals, and download the pre-filled version. 3. Review autofilled data. Check all fields auto-populated using digital Form 16, including income, TDS, and deductions. 4. Update additional deductions, if any. If you have made additional investments or donations after submitting proof to your employer, manually add those. 5. Validate and submit. Once everything is reviewed, validate the return, verify it via Aadhaar, OTP, or net banking, and submit. NAN. And swipe left for next video. Yes, Form 16 is just a certificate issued by your employer summarizing your salary and TDS. It is not mandatory for filing your return. However, the salaried individuals are advised to file ITR only after Form 16 comes in, as it makes the process simpler, safer, and less error-prone. According to another tax expert, employers must issue Form 16 by June 15 of the next financial year after deducting TDS. So, for FY 200 and 2425, your employer must provide Form 16 by June 15, 2025. Latest blogs.